Hello, Scott. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. So in Screencast, I spoke with your front office, and we agreed I'm going to show you top 3 optimizations that has helped countless others just like you improve leads come to your website with Titan Built. Now, the first question with business owners is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, here's why. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet has benefited them and their company. Plain and simple. Now, the only hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you hear, you can see the skills I have to help a business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now after watching the remainder of what I'm about to show you, I'd appreciate some feedback or an review on Google if you find the topics I cover important or even valuable to you. Which they should. There's a lot of important information that would be going over this real quick. Now, before you try to do it yourself, though, let me show you top 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I have to go over with you is your content. So in order for a business to be fully optimized with Google, their landing page, aka homepage, uses at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. And I did a quick analysis over years. You have about 87, which is totally fine. I know you have pictures and whatnot to bring up the content and keywords behind it. You have service pages and location pages, so you can use these as well, right? Now, each one of these want at least 700, so you can start ranking these along with your homepage that will be organically ranked. Now, the second part about content is it has keywords in it, and everyone's searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So I go over to this paid program I use called Ahrefs. You can see what your site's actually ranked for. You can see you have about 104 backlinks, 42 referring domains, and 258 organic keywords. And now this paid program is telling me you bring in about 29 people going to your website each month, which really is really not that good. But I'm going to tell you why. Because I did a quick analysis over one of your competitors, and they have about 697 words currently, which is pretty easily beat. Now, the reason why they're outranking you organically is because they have more words, therefore they can stuff in more keywords. So Diamond Contractors, right? They have 38 UR and 38 DR. UR is the trust of the site, and DR is the strength of the site. So you usually want this to be a gold ratio being equal. So 38 would be the gold ratio. Anyways, they have 491 backlinks, 184 referring domains, and 226 organic keywords. We'll get into the rest of it later, but looking at the organic keywords, right? You see the first two, Diamond Contractor, Diamond Contract Incorporated, are ranking the first position. Now let's bring in at least 110 people into the website, or searching this Diamond Contractors, but only 16.8 are coming in to figure out if this is the site they need. Now say Kansas City Contractors was their number one, they'd be bringing at least a third of 150, so therefore they'd be bringing in about 50 people per month coming to their website. And now, like say 10% call in or submit a form, that's money in their pockets, right? Because people are seeing the exposure that Diamond Contractors have. Now going to yours, Titan Built, 258 organic keywords, not too bad. But you see you're not ranking for any keywords besides Titan Built, which is bringing in 10 people per month. So the next optimization I'll go over with you is your GMB, or Google My Business, or Google Map Pack, if you want to say it. So I did a search for a Kansas City commercial contractor, and you see the ads up front. These are paid programs, right? Yeah, Mid-America Contractors, Vasquez Commercial Contracting, Kansas City Commercial, and Roofing and Sheet Metal Incorporated. Now keep going down, you don't see any Titan, right? That's because you have no citations. So you're probably asking what a citation is. Citation is your name, an address, and a phone number entered into two directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you submit a citation. So all those social media platforms all give you a citation, which helps you rank and trustworthy for Google to bring you up to the top of Google Map Packs, which is usually where people go to figure out if they're near you or wanting to contact you, because they can call straight from the GMB. Now, another way to boost your authority with Google is to get those 5-star ratings. Now, the third thing I'm going to go with you is the organic listings, which is your let's see here, where is it? Which is this front page of Google. So the third thing, right? We want this to be where you are. This requires link juice. So this link juice works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like your popularity contest. But there is more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So say, for example, Diamond Contractors is linking back to you. It'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you're a contractor, not a pizza slinger. But anyways, I'm going to go back to Ahrefs again and pull up your backlinks. About 104 of them from 42 different domains. So you can see where your sites are coming from, or where your links are coming from, and where they're going to, right? And as soon as you all be going to your front page. Now, if you go to your competitor, we can do the same thing. So the cool thing about this is you can see where they're coming from, you can see where they're going to, you can see the anchor text that they are using to rank those keywords in their content. So therefore, all you have to do is figure out the spot they're getting their link from, insert some information, your keyword, and that is how you rank your keyword within your content. I hope this has helped. I'm going to be going over it one more time. The three things I went over is content, your GMB, and your backlink. So content, you want those 1,500 words to your homepage to rank organically, and then within those 1,500 words, you want keywords inputted. And secondly, you want your citations to be at least 200 or 300 of these so you can beat your competitors out by a landslide and start ranking your GMB to get higher in this Google Map Pack. And the third thing is your link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. So if that means implementing everything I taught you today, that's what you gotta do. So you can either go with this information I provide you today and do some your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, when you save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Scott, and you have a good one.